Yes, Lava. Lava Toots. She's inside now. But still wants to see the outside world. She's getting used to it now. We'll domesticate her soon. Soon, before the 2-year anniversary. Ano, bebe? You like it? You like to be inside but with the door open, no? Huh? Aba? You comfortable there? Huh? Good? You're just waiting for Bowtie and BTS. We'll let you out tomorrow, baby. You have to get used to being inside, no? Because we have a crocodile outside. You like it? And here's your favorite box, just in case you want to be in the box tonight. Huh? The truth?